After clicking on Aveksha, you will see the sign in and sign up buttons from where you can sign up as an organization or user by entering an email and password. Then you will be redirected to the home page from where you can add an event by adding its organizers, an image from your gallery as the poster, the date, timings, location and additional information of the event. Then you can accordingly save the event by clicking on the add event button. Further, if you wish to delete or update that event, you can do so through the update event button. For coming back to the homepage, you can click on the homepage button and visit our website through the visit our website feature. We have mentioned all our contact details here as well. Users can know more about us through the About Us page. And lastly, can give us a rating and feedback through the feedback page. Aveksha has a logout button too. Existing users can sign in through the sign in button. From the Connect and Care feature, they will see 5 cities which provide same services for animals and their contact details. Users can also see volunteering opportunities near them in the 5 cities along with the contact details. For viewing the events happening around them, they can access the event updates portal. Users can contact animal abuse helplines through the report and abuse feature. Through the online shopping feature, they can view lists of online stores and Instagram pages offering pet accessories and supplies along with their links. A unique feature about Aveksha is that pet parents will be able to maintain the vaccination records of their pets through this app by mentioning the necessary details about those vaccines. They can also update and delete those records from time to time. The bottom 4 features of the home page are same for users and organizations.